you are again doing a negative role in Ravan.
Yeah.
How much can you tell me about it?
Nothing.
Can you tell me what's under that cap?
That's for me to know and you all to find out when the film releases.
Is there a contract where you're not permitted to tell us?
Yes and no. It's not really a contract or anything. I think we just have decided that let the looks and everything come out when it is right, you know, in the right way, when it is presented in the right way. And it's a tough film, it's an ambitious film. We're working very hard on it. I'm shooting for it currently. And I think it's one of the most physically challenging films that I have done. It's going to be a long process. But once it's almost there, we'll be sitting on another show and we'll talk a lot more about it.
But I've heard from a little bird that I know on the sets that your body is looking fantabulous because of the amount of work you put on it. So I want to know, are you going to be hiding your body under a shirt through this film, or will we be getting to see you bare-bodied or at least bare-chested?
I have no idea right now.
Oh, come
we're
on,
still thinking about. We're still thinking about.
I know you're this much you can tell the women who want to sit on your lap. Sorry, in your lap.
See, if you come to my lap, you can see me bare-bodied here anytime.
So he says while sitting wearing a long-sleeve shirt right opposite from me.
But let's not go into that right now because I really want it. It's a special role. You know, it's
you're a cruel man.
Huh? No, you're being cruel to me, please. But I really want it to be a nice surprise for people once they see it.
Okay. I don't know if you recalled it recently. We were shooting together for a special project, you and I.
The Beatles one.
Yeah.
Yes, lots of fun.
Yes, and I remember that, your wife had come over and brought food for you, and you restrained yourself from eating the rubbish that we were all eating, chips and stuff. And I remember telling a friend of mine this, and she said, that's a friend of mine who used to be an actress, and she said that's what it takes, a partner who has dedicated her life to you and keeps a watch on you and helps you in your mission.
She can't wait for me to get off of the diet, let me tell you that. Because it's more of a pain for her to make that food than to make normal food. And I'm a complete foodie, so I can't wait to get off this diet. But yes, I'm on a special diet right now for the film, because I need to reach a level of fitness, and you can't do it without the correct diet. And it's good. That's what I like about my profession, because it's almost like a nice detox that you do, for 3 months, 4 months, you're in the gym, you're really training hard, and then you can take which I'm going to do is take a nice holiday right after this, and go off with the family and lay back and eat all the yummy stuff that is out there.
But I couldn't believe you, because we had these chips and cakes and all of that lying around.
I
Your
couldn't
hand
believe
didn't
you all. I'm telling you all, I'm dieting and you all are putting chips and cupcakes and everything all around me, all my favorite things.
But seriously, is my friend's assessment right? A partner who's dedicated her life to...
Of course. I mean, it's not dedicated really. It is just you know that this is what this person is doing right now. You know it's tough. And you know it's not easy. And and I would do that also. You reciprocate, and I think that's a good relationship. And a good relationship is when there's good understanding amongst you, and there's a good friendship. So I think we have that with each other. And we are blessed to have that. And I believe in Nazar also. So I don't want to talk too much about it.
Touch
lots of it.
But do you have the discipline to keep a diet like this if you didn't have Mehar watching over you?
It would be difficult, yes, because I'm not very good with the names of vegetables. But of course it really helps. She's been a huge support to me, not only with a diet, through my life, through my career, through my children, she's just been fantastic. She's been strong and she's been out there for all of us. And I think that takes a lot of sacrifice and takes a lot out of you when you, don't put yourself in the foreground all the time. And she doesn't. And
Especially because she
I think the first
was
thing,
such a famous model.
yeah, and you've seen all of that, and you want to really take care of her home, and she does that really well. So I'm lucky.